Here's a quick demo of the click noise between the new MX Master 3S and the older MX Master 3. So you can hear there's a pretty big difference in the noise. It's 90% less quiet on the MX Master 3S. However, the middle scroll wheel, if I click that in, that remains unchanged on both mice.